Welcome to your favorite list channel, incredible lists made just for you. Picture this, you've worked hard all your life and it's time to kick back, relax and enjoy your golden years. But where? How about an island paradise, where the sun always shines and the ocean is just a stone's throw away? Today we're exploring the best islands to buy a retirement property. First on the list, the ever-enchanting Maui, Hawaii. With its lush landscapes, gorgeous beaches and a laid-back lifestyle, Maui offers a slice of paradise that's hard to resist. Next up, we sail to the Mediterranean to the island of Cyprus. This gem offers beautiful weather, rich history, and a low cost of living. Third in line, the sun-drenched island of Mallorca, Spain. Its stunning coastline and vibrant culture make it an ideal spot to spend your retirement years. We then journey to the Caribbean, to the island of Barbados. Known for its warm, friendly locals and a pace of life that's just right, Barbados could be your perfect retirement haven. But before you retire, make sure to like and subscribe to help the channel. Halfway through our list, we land in the picturesque island of Malta. With its year-round sunshine, azure waters, and a strong expat community, Malta is a retiree's dream come true. Next, we discover the allure of Koh Samui, Thailand. With its affordable living, beautiful beaches, and mouth-watering cuisine, this island is a tropical paradise. Our seventh stop takes us to the island of Roatan, Honduras. This hidden gem boasts world-class diving, unspoiled nature, and a laid-back Caribbean lifestyle. And finally, we reach the beautiful island of Crete, Greece. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and a warm, welcoming community, Crete is a place where you can truly enjoy the fruits of your labor. So, there you have it, the best islands to buy a retirement property. Each one unique, each one a potential paradise for your golden years. Would you consider living on any of these islands? Drop us a comment and share your thoughts. Until next time, keep dreaming of that island life.